It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby.
Hi guys, I know you're seeing it and I'll explain to you guys. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Funozipu for those who don't know me, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope this video will convince you enough to subscribe by the end of it. And if you're a 10 subscriber baby, love you loads, my door, love you loads, and thank you for stopping by once again. And that's home period. Yo, you guys, I haven't been vlogging for the past month. The last time I vlogged was when we went to the vacation in MP. The reason behind why I was not vlogging, guys, when I came back from the Mpumalanga trip, my skin was going through the most, so I wasn't feeling comfortable opening my camera and talk to you guys, but it's finally getting better. And I blame myself for my skin to look like this, because what the fuck was I doing? Why did I pop the pimples? So just the background story, my grandmother stays in MP, and it always happens that when I'll have like pimples because amanzi wakhona awangithandi. I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense to me. But it makes sense to me because that has been happening for like past years. So I never thought my skin was going to react when we went to the Mpumalanga vacation, but it did. So amanzi wakhona awangithandi at all. Like I always have a problem, and my body's gonna be fine, but my face, especially my face, and I can't buy purified water just to wash my face. Yeah, but so, and nonetheless, you guys, I'm back, and I know you guys are seeing changes, and I'm here to tell you guys all about that. Yes, we did move from our previous place. We found a new place, and so far so good. We were tired of that place. We were always complaining about electricity, was demotivating me not to vlog for you guys. So it's been 2 weeks since we're here. So yeah, you guys, I'm coming back. I'm coming to vlog again, but today I just felt like I spent a day with me. I did nothing much. I'm just trying to fill you guys in my day-to-day life. And then yeah, I'm currently waiting on a delivery. Like guys, we are going to finish at this apartment sonke nihambe nathi masiyothenga izinto zokufurnisha, like everything. This is where we will start growing, you know, like a 1-bedroom whereby we can buy fridge, new curtains, new everything, headboard, sideboard, like TV stands, whatever that you think about. So yeah, you guys, we moved and we are so happy. We're so happy here. We've been looking for a reasonable place and we finally got it. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned. We'll be finishing the place together, and today we also have a delivery. Yeah, I'm just waiting on the delivery. When it gets here, I'll show you guys. So let me love and leave y'all. Bye. Guys, our electricity just came back. We had load shedding, and I'm going to start cooking dinner. I'm sure you guys saw in the morning I weighed myself. Reason behind that, I'm trying to lose weight because when I was editing the Mpumalanga vlog, I saw the amount of weight. I was like, girl, is that you? And I was like, you know what, say less. I'm gonna do something about it, definitely, guys. So we've been eating healthy for the past week, and I wasn't monitoring my weight that much. So this week I want to take it seriously. So I'm gonna cook a dinner right now, and then I'll show you guys. So basically this video is just gonna be like a week in my life. You guys are gonna see what I do every day. I hardly have stuff to do, honestly. I don't want to lie to you guys, but yeah, let's go cook, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow if I don't come back here. So let me love and leave y'all. Bye. Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind.
to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't
Guys, it is here. It is here, but we'll talk about it tomorrow. Period.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mom got the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. We just hit load shedding. We are on load shedding for 4 hours today. What? Please, you don't want to be in cereals economy, period. I haven't spoken to you guys since the morning, but I was doing laundry. As you guys saw, I haven't finished because we have load shedding right now, like I said, but I'll finish when the electricity comes back at 4. It's 12 o'clock and it's coming back at 4. You really don't want to be in serious economy, honestly. So yeah, you guys, you now saw our washing machine. I'm so happy we now have a washing machine because I'm a laundry mats by Lili Malietu, period. By Lili Malietu. So we also couldn't buy the washing machine at the place that we stay at the last time because it was so small. I'm just gonna take a nap and then edit this vlog, and then I'll continue with it tomorrow. Also need to make some few phone calls. I need to call my grandmother, I need to call the warehouse, I need to make calls, and I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow if I don't talk to you guys and go for when the electricity comes back. So yeah, you guys, let me go relax, take a nap, and I'll talk to you guys. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. I'm good too. The last time I spoke to you guys was last week Tuesday. I'm just gonna break down to you guys what I've been up to the past few days. So the last time I spoke to you guys was on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I didn't want you guys to spend a day with me because I was actually doing the same thing the whole week. And then on Thursday I went to the warehouse to go pick up some of my stock. Talking about that warehouse, yo guys, yo, I feel like crying. Like, I feel like crying, but I'm just gonna be strong because there's nothing that I can do. I did my part, and now it's time for people to do their part. They don't do it. For those who don't know, I'm a small business owner. I sell handbags and all those kind of stuff. So I import everything from China. I don't know what's happening with the warehouse. I don't know, but the packages are just being delayed. Like, I paid the shipping around first week of July, and the packages haven't arrived till this day. Like, I've been calling and inquiring. I was supposed to get 6 packages initially when I was going to the warehouse, and it was like, no, only 1 package has arrived. Other 5, they haven't arrived. Guys, my heart sank. Like, my heart sank, because also in that package there are bags that I can sell, but I just want like my whole stock with me, you know. So I've been fixing that, and yeah, that's what I did on Thursday. And then on Friday, what did I do? Oh, on Friday I went with my boyfriend to the mall. We were supposed to go for hiking on Saturday, but the people that we were going with, they decided to cancel on us, and we ended up not going. And yeah, you guys, but there's also something that I want to show y'all that I bought. Yo, another thing, it's this YouTube thing. Like, yo, I go, yeah, better. Guys, one day I'm on 365 subscribers. The next day I wake up, I'm on 361. Like, so please guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I know I'm not that consistent, but definitely my things about consistent, because I'll also be going out since it's spring summer. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm already planning my vlog-tober episodes. How am I gonna do it and all those kind of stuff. What I also wanted to say is, all the small YouTubers that are watching my content, thank you so much. I see y'all guys, and I like that we are supporting each other as small content creators, because hey, it's so difficult out there. It's so difficult to get subscribers and get people that are going to engage with y'all guys. As much as you guys are watching my channel, I'm also watching your channels. You guys know that by now. And yeah, you guys, let me stop rambling and talking. I've been talking for the past 5 minutes. Imagine. Let me just show you guys what I got last week. I went to Foschini. You guys. I like this. This is what I got from Foschini. It's these pants. This is what I got from Foschini. Guys, they are so beautiful. And what I like about these pants, they are not as shiny as the one from the Fix. I have the ones from the Fix, but yeah, I don't know, like it was just breaking here at the back, and I would hardly wash that thing. Like how I would wash it, I'll just put it in water and then like I was not even taking like 2 minutes to do that. So yeah, like they're ankle grazer. They're not even full length, but they say like they are full length. They are just like ankle grazers, and I don't like ankle grazers. I'm tall, so I don't see the need of an ankle grazer pants. If you like them, you guys, you can go buy them. This was 460. If you guys like them, you can go buy them for yourselves. They're 460. I love them. But with the length, I'd still prefer the ones from the Fix. And like I said, we were supposed to go for hiking the past weekend on Saturday, and on Friday we went to Total Sports just to look for like sporty stuff. And I I just saw these tights and I fell in love with them, and I was just like, I'm getting them. I wish they were in black, but it's not a train smash because I also have a gray top that looks like this. So I got these tights. They look like the ones that I got from Mr. Price, I was wearing when we were going on our vacation. But the problem about the ones that go Mr. Price is that they are see-through, and these ones are not. Like literally, you guys, I love these tights, love them. And these were 300 rands. These were 300 rands from Total Sport. This thing doesn't want to focus. And yeah, you guys, those are the two things that I got. Those are the two things that I got. I really want to buy myself some clothes for summer, but Laiti Shane these days has been acting up in terms of customs, so I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I don't know if I should order from Shein or just buy like locally, but I want to buy myself summer clothes because I don't have them. And yeah, you guys, I'm just going to close off the vlog here. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. From me to all you guys, it is bye bye. Please do not forget to subscribe. Guys, I wanted to close off the vlog today. I am gonna close it today, but I just placed an order on Checkers 60, and I'm just gonna cook today. So I just decided, let me cook with you guys. One thing about me, I love cooking. And if you're not new to my channel, you know this by now, but if you're new, Mina, I cook. So if you don't enjoy cooking, I'm sorry, this channel is not for you. And yeah, you guys, so I'm just gonna cook with y'all today, and then I'm gonna close off the vlog later. Why I'm pushing the vlog, why I'm pushing to cook with y'all guys, it's because I don't like vlogs that are like 20 minutes. I prefer a vlog to be like 25 to 30 minutes. That makes sense to me. So that's why I'm opting to cook with y'all guys today. And yeah, you guys, let me continue watching YouTube. I'm watching the Millennium Mom. I always watch her on Mondays. Like Mondays belongs to her, guys, on YouTube, period. She's goated. Mondays belongs to Mandy. I'll write her channel name somewhere here on the screen. I love her, guys. I love her channel. I love her channel. Laphayana siyajiva, siyakhala, sijabulile. Like I love her channel. Like I love her channel. So let me continue watching her channel, and I'll talk to you guys once my Checkers 60 order arrives. Bye.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster of war. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm
Okay guys, I'm just improvising here. I told you all that my tripod broke, so I'll try get a new tripod probably like next week. Not like a tripod, but a ring light. I've been looking to buy a nice tripod that's got like a stand. I hope I'm making sense. But my Checkers 60 is here. My Checkers 60 is here, and I'll show you what I got. So, oh my goodness, they are this small. I didn't know they were this small. Like, Checkers has these other. Checkers has the biggest wraps. I never knew that the Albany ones are this small. Baby potatoes. I got eggs. I don't know what happened when we were buying groceries. We forgot to buy eggs, so this would probably last us for the whole month until the 25. Yeah, I got eggs, and obviously I got myself some Monster, guys. I love Monster cream. I got some Quick Sam. guys know these were 100 rand on the app. 52 rand. Couldn't they give me like 2 packets because I paid 100 rands for these? Checkers, like, got chicken breast, got the meat, and then I also got meat. Wow, guys, there's something I don't understand about Checkers 60. Hey, the last time I was buying, taking this thing, let me see. I was buying some salamis, right? And they didn't have the salamis. They didn't refund me my money. This thing, these lamb chops, they were saying 100 rand on the app. So I thought like they would be big, right? Because 100 rands. And I know that lamb chops are expensive. But these weigh like 52, like almost to 53 rand. But they only gave me one, but I paid 100 rands for these. One thing about Checkers 60, we like the convenience of it because we don't have to go to the mall, but it's doing us dirt. Like, they don't see and how many grams, how many kgs was the thing that you bought. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. This is the 3rd time actually this is happening to me. This is the 3rd time, guys. I don't know how you guys do with Checkers 60. Please tell me. Like, like a Checkers 60. Sometimes they don't have something. They don't even call to say, hey, Ayiko. Guys, I don't know. I'm just so pissed. And I'm always pissed when I'm buying on Checkers 60. But I didn't want to go to the mall because I'm not in Malyoge Mall. I was supposed to get 100 rands off because the other time I bought on Checkers 60 and they didn't, like, they took time to bring my stuff, so they gave me like 100 rands off on delivery, I think. So that means that I didn't pay the delivery. Like, I'm so bored. I'm so bored right now.
Got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me. You're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more. I just can't get everything so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drive down, I need to hear it from you. I've been waiting on you to tell me. I can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance.